Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the history session again. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of the first lesson of political science, working of the constitution. Today we are going to see the role of judiciary in the actual work of constitution. What is judiciary? In short, it is the system of courts. It is the branch of government which administers justice according to law. In the previous sessions, we have learnt about democracy and social justice. The judiciary in India has played an important role in strengthening the democracy and achieving the objectives of equality and social justice. So while actual working of constitution, the judiciary has always taken into consideration. It always played an important role in working accordance with constitution. For that, we have to learn the contribution of judiciary with the help of following points. So let's see the first point, the basic framework of the constitution. Students, the constitution of India is dynamic in nature. It means it's flexible and can be amended according to the need of the time. It is also called as living document, as it was made in a way to adjust to the changing time and the situation of the country. For example, nationalization of banks, right to education, right to information, all these rights prove that it is living document and can be changed according to the country's situation, and the parliament has the power to make changes in the constitution. Here, the judiciary has specified the limitations of this power. The judiciary has taken a stand that Parliament can amend the constitution, but it cannot change the basic structure of the constitution while amending it or changing it. Means the Parliament cannot change the basic values, rights of the constitution. The Parliament cannot change the democratic form of government or sovereignty of the nation and the supremacy of the constitution. Now please try to understand what is the basic structure of the constitution. It generally includes the following provisions: republican and democratic form of government. Secondly, federal structure of the constitution, promotion of unity and integrity of the nation, sovereignty of the nation, secularism and supremacy of the constitution. So while changing or amending the constitution, all these points should be taken into consideration. All these provisions cannot be changed. That's why we can call that the judiciary is very important in this basic framework of the constitution. It is protecting the basic framework of the constitution.